औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम फ़लिल्लाहिल हम्दु रब्बिस समावाति रब्बिल अर्दि व रब्बिल आलमीन वलहुल किब्रिया फिस समावाति वल अर्दि व हुवल अज़ीज़ुल हकीम। अल मलिकुल कुद्दूस अल मलिकुल कुद्दूस अल मलिकुल कुद्दूस अल अज़ीज़ुल हकीम तबारकल्लज़ी बियदिहिल मुल्क व हुवा अला कुल्लि शैइन क़दीर। हस्बी अल्लाह व निअमल वकील व निअमल मौला व निअमन नसीर। My dear respected and honorable members, friends, associate and audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are very happy to complete the 2 year at Nevada, this holy program we are celebrating regularly. In September 2022, we had started this program. Thanks God with the mercy of Rasul Pak Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam, and we are very grateful to our Murshidana Shaykh Shah Afzal Rahmatullah Alayhi that at Nevada we are celebrating this program successfully. And in this month, I am saying to you with very sorrow that previous month we have announced to combination of Markaz Afzaliya and Khanqah Mem Hindi. But unfortunately, with the evil people, with the shayateen, the decision have disturbed. And finally, my father announced this opinion to combination of Markaz Afzaliya and Khanqah Mem Hindi. Not succeed, but I hope in this future maybe success the combination of both center. But now we are very disappointed. So because of the announcement of previous month, I am very urgently to say to all our world, to our audience, that which is very humbly waiting to this, that when our Markaz and Khanqah will be combined. So I am very sorry to say, total audience and Hazrin and Majlis and our total subscribers, that in these days there is no condition of unite Markaz Afzaliya and Khanqah Mem Hindi. So Markaz Afzaliya is going on regularly, sufficiently with Markaz Afzaliya Education Trust at Nevada, separately in the office of rent, and Khanqah Mem Hindi may be with the large number of Aqidah and any other Aqidah, I don't know, because of the owner of Khanqah Mem Hindi completely and finally I can say that no Dr. Muhammad Kamal Hussain Qadri but Ejaz Hussain Alvi only and only. So total decisions of Ejaz Hussain Alvi is going on from Datrol Sharif, the name of Khanqah Mem Hindi and the name of Khanqah Sharif, the name of Sarkar Mem Hindi with the other sites, other channel, etc. That's all. So at last I pray to God that Ejaz Hussain Alvi and my dear father Kamal Hussain Qadri, may God give Rusdu Hidayat and good Aqidah and Aqidah Sarkar Mem Hindi, not any other Aqidah. Aqidah Sarkar Mem Hindi and education of Sarkar Mem Hindi. Amin and Summa Amin. At last, after this announcement in this editorial, I am saying to you that at first in editorial with the tradition of systematically per month by me, that main nisbat of this month, what are the main nisbat of this month? You know that previous days the shahadat of Hazrat Imam Hasan alayhi salatu wassalam, 28 Safarul Muzaffar has passed. That was the very divine nisbat of this moment. The shahadat Sarkar Hazrat Hasan alayhi salatu wassalam is very ghamnak and very dardnak has passed. And after that, completely the Safarul Muzaffar month, the month of Rabiul Awwal, the Mahina of Sarkar Do Alam sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, the birthday of Sarkar Do Alam Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. 12 Rabiul Awwal is coming soon. There are a large number of programs will be holding on all over the world. And in this moment, in these situations, Markaz-e-Afzaliya also celebrate the Kharaj Aqidat in the social sites, and in this program also we will be celebrate. Okay, all night we will be celebrate the Amad Rasool Sarkar Do Alam sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, Jasne Sarkar Do Alam sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. And every person know that in this month Hazrat Sarkar Sabir Pia Kaleri Rahmatullah alayhi Urs Mubarak also will held in Kalir Sharif. As and I can say, and you know that in this month Rabiul Awwal is very divine and very spiritual month. So we will be celebrate, and I suggest all Khanka Sharif and all Marakas and centers who is related this program will be must organize the program, and Langar Sharif and Fatha Sharif and Zikr Khair etc. Okay, and third thing I want to say that in this program, according to rule, according to system, according to routine, we will sit whole night here and we will do the Zikr Khair, Ashar, Manqabat and researching project. Today, a very important researching project is ready. So after some times, Inshallah Ta'ala, I would be discuss with whole analysis, and the unwan of this project is Kauno Makan. What is Kauno Makan? What is Zamano Makan? What is Makan and La Makan? This is the best and this is the main topic of this discussion, which will be discussed at night. Okay, Inshallah Ta'ala. And after some related products, some related status and some related codes will be also discussed, and I will be tried that in this moment at night, at today night will be discuss about the writing of Sarkar Shah Afzal Rahmatullah Alayh and the Tabarruk of Sarkar Mim Hindi Rahmatullah Alayh, unpublished book, Harfe Law and other. Okay, and after midnight we will be in Nasist of Zikr. The 17 types of Zikr is regularly every month we are doing here. The 17 types of Zikr, Qadiriya, Chishtiya, Naqshbandiya, Sarwardiya and whole Afzaliya as a Tabarruk we will be practice. We will be practice and Tabarrukan we will be Faizyab and Mahzuz from that. So finally I say to you that the lesson of Sarkar Mim Hindi, the remember of the lesson of Sarkar Mim Hindi is very, very important and very, very must for us. That is not matter that you are where sitting. You are sitting Markaz-e-Afzaliya and you are sitting Khanka Mim Hindi, doesn't matter. But this is matter that you remember your lesson or no. You remember your lesson or no. You qualifying the potential of spiritual points or no? You successful the lesson and pass out the your lataif or no? That is very important and very necessary. So I will request to you that however you sitting doesn't matter, however you learning doesn't matter, you speak and you learn, not think, doesn't matter. You do not hear my lecture, doesn't matter, but your Murshid's lessons, the lessons of your Murshid should be must remember and qualifying the higher level of spiritual maqamat, inshallah ta'ala. So I am ready to start this program with the mercy of God and the special blessing of Sarkar Mim Hindi Shah Afzal Rahmatullah alayh. Ameen summa ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Haq la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.